Morning class 10 students. Today we will be start doing next chapter, data representation and binary arithmetic. In this chapter we will be studying about the various aspects in the computer system that is being related to the data representation, and this is also related about the digital computer. In this we will be studying about the binary string, that is the 0 and 1, and what is the meaning of byte, bits, and the various terms that are being used in the computer. First we will be discussing about what is the data representation. Data representation is being done inside the computer with the help of the technology which are being used by the computer to store as well as to process the data, and this data is being done in the binary string, binary 0 and 1, and this unique combination is known as binary digits. A group of 8 digits which are used together, it is called byte. A group of 8 bits is called the byte. Byte is the combination of the bits, and the single unit is known as the bits, and these are being further divided, that is the bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes as well as the terabytes. In this, first we will be discussing about the character representation. The character representation, they are the physical devices in which we can store as well as the process the data in two stable state. In two stable state, it means a switch. For example, take the example of switch. A switch can either be off as well as the on, and only these two modes in which the switch is available is known as the two states in which they are available. Thus all the data which is stored as well as processed in the computer, they are transformed or coded in two symbols. One symbol is to represent each state. The coding of the characters has been standardized according to the ASCII. ASCII is the American Standard Code for Information Technology. They have provided the coding system of the characters, and each letter is unique combination of the bits, and this bits is combined, they are known as the byte. A group of 8 bits which is used to represent, in one bit there are bit there are 4, and one bit 2 bit, they are combined together to form the byte.